Hello, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing molarity calculations with you. The first question I have says, a 750 ml solution contains 18 grams of ammonia, and they gave us the molar mass of the ammonia. And the question says, calculate the molarity of the solution. Now, molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute over the volume in liters. Here they gave us 18 grams and not the moles. So in order to solve this, we need to convert the 18 grams of ammonia to moles of ammonia. N is equal to mass over molar mass. So we're going to plug in the 18 grams on top, and the molar mass is 17.03 grams per mole. When these 2 grams cancels out, we're left with mole. And since the mole is down here, it's the same thing as times 1 mole. So our final answer is going to be in moles, okay? So you have 18 divided by 17.03, and that gives me a 1.06 moles of ammonia. The next conversion we're going to do is this. The volume is in milliliters and not liters. So we're going to convert 750 ml times, now 1 liters is equal to 1000 mils. So 1 liters over 1000 mil. You want to make sure that the mils are on opposite sides so they can cancel. Therefore, our volume is going to be 0.750 liters. Now we have the N and we have the V, okay? So plug that into this equation. We're going to have 1.06 moles over 0.750 liters. And then if we divide 1.06 by 0.75, it gives me 1.4, approximately molarity. The units for molarity can be capital M or moles per liter. So anyone you remember to use, that will be correct. And that is the answer to that question. The next question I have says to prepare 250 mils of 0.2 molar CuSO4 solution. How many grams of CuSO4, and they gave us the molar mass as well, are required? Molarity is equal to N over V in liters. They gave us the volume, which we're going to convert. So 250 mils. To convert this to volume, times 1 liter, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 mils. So multiply that by 1 liter and divide by 1000 mils. The 2 mils will cancel, and the volume will be 0.250 liters. Now, they gave us the molarity as well, okay, to be this. The question is how many grams? In this formula, there is no relationship between molarity and grams, but we do have a relationship between N and grams, okay? So mass, which is grams now, is equal to the number of moles times molar mass. So either capital M or you double the M so you don't get confused. Now, if that is the case, we need to find N, and to find N, we're going to rearrange this equation, cross multiply. N is going to be equal to molarity times V in liters. And the molarity given to us is 0.2 moles per liter. Remember that capital M is the same as molarity. So moles per liter is the unit for molarity. And the volume, as we have converted, is this. The 2 liters we cancel out, and the final answer here would be 0.2 times 0.25. That gives me a 0.05 mole. So now we have the mole. Plug that into this equation. We're going to have the mass equals the 0.05 mole that we just calculated times the molar mass which they gave to us to be 159.6 grams per mole. The 2 moles we cancel and we're left with grams, which is exactly what we're looking for. And that gives me a 7.98 grams of CuSO4.